Kua.ai offers an AI tool for e-commerce, specifically designed for Amazon private label sellers looking to boost their sales through high-conversion Amazon listings. Despite sellers' belief in their product knowledge, the key to a good listing is increased traffic and higher conversions. Kua.ai's super listing leverages AI and Amazon ABA data to optimize listings for both Amazon's algorithm and user experience, proven to enhance traffic and conversion rates effectively. Kua.ai's super listing includes two applications. The first one is the Listing Optimizer, suitable for optimizing listings already on sale on Amazon. The second is the Listing Builder, for creating a new listing. Let's demonstrate how to use the Listing Optimizer step by step to optimize your existing listings and boost sales. First, open kua.ai. Make sure you are logged in and have subscribed to our Pro plan. Then search for Optimizer and click on Amazon Listing Optimizer _v3, global version. You can also find this application in your customized workbench, as I do. The first step is to enter your product's ASIN on Amazon. We can obtain all information represented by the ASIN, including title, bullet points, long description, search terms, product specs, and details. I believe you know where to find the ASIN. Here, I'll use this pair of clog shoes as an example. You can find your ASIN in the title, then copy and paste. The second step requires entering your brand. For example, we'll use Crocs as an example here. The brand you enter will automatically be incorporated into the optimized listing title. Of course, I hope Crocs doesn't mind. I'm a big fan of Crocs. The third step involves entering one or two core words to tell AI what the product is. For instance, enter slipper. The final step is to specify the Amazon market where your ASIN is sold. If it's in the United States, then fill in Amazon.com. In France, then Amazon.far. Our current Amazon markets include the United States, Europe, and Japan, meaning we can obtain and recognize ASINs from these Amazon sites. Entering this information is very simple. Next, just click Start Workflow and wait. Kua.ai Super Listing will optimize your listing for you. We can see that the optimized listing copy, including the title, 5 bullet points, long description, and back-end search terms, has been significantly enhanced. The title is now longer and more detailed, incorporating many keywords. These keywords have been selected based on ABA data to ensure they are highly searched terms. Compared to the original product descriptions, the 5 bullet points are now more detailed and better suited for private label products that require persuasive selling points. You can also click the step-by-step button to view our workflow steps. You'll find that we automatically extract your product information, analyze keywords between you and your competitors, and help you summarize your selling points and find your unique competitive edge, including adjusting your wording. Finally, you'll get a full set of listing copies. You can directly update your listing copy. As a precaution, we recommend using Amazon's official brand experiment feature to conduct an A/B test to observe the optimized effects. According to our clients' experiences, listings optimized by kua.ai Super Listing have seen a sales increase of up to 200%.